Hello there and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, and thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely wonderful Audi Q7. So the details of this vehicle are, this is a 2017 Audi Q7 3-litre TDI Quattro e-tron. This is finished in the Orca Black Metallic paint with a full black leather upholstery. Now this vehicle has only covered 49,753 miles. It has a full service history and also £5,050 worth of factory fitted optional extras, which I'll certainly be taking you through on this video. And just before we do that, regarding the service history, there's a few dates here to bear in mind. So in November 2019, this vehicle had its first routine service at just over 15,500 miles. Then in November 2020 at 24,981, November 2021 at just over 35,000 miles, and then in November 2022 at just over 45,600 miles. So it seems like November is the month of choice for this vehicle's servicing. But all of that making for a full service history, which is fantastic. Now with regards to that equipment level, I'd like to take you through the cost options that are on this vehicle first of all. So we'll be able to see more of this when we head inside the vehicle, but we have an electric panoramic glass sunroof, which at the time was a £1,700 factory option. On this vehicle we also have £1,195 worth of Audi's technology package. We have these 20-inch 10-spoke star design alloy wheels, which have got a slight bi-colour to them, making them very distinctive. They were a £950 factory option. We also have the Orca Black Metallic at £675. The extended LED interior multicoloured lighting package at £280. And we have a 3-spoke heated sports leather multifunction steering wheel at £250. And of course, to add to this, a whole host of standard equipment, such as front and rear sensors, which are audible and visual with a helpful display in the center console. We also have an array of LED daytime running lights, plus LED dipped and main beam and full LED rear light clusters as well. Of course, electric folding door mirrors. We do also have full keyless operation on this vehicle as well, and of course a powered tailgate. So equipment levels on the interior, and certainly worth mentioning, absolutely wonderful quality and condition in here. So here is that full black leather upholstery with plenty of contrast across the dashboard with different materials and colours, and some of the equipment levels that we have in here, such as electric seating for driver and passenger with a 4-way electric lumbar support. We also have fully automatic headlights, rain sensitive wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror, the display which pops up in the centre, which I do quite like myself. And there she is, of course, with the satellite navigation, multimedia, all vehicle settings, and that parking sensor display all comes up on the centre. Just here is where we have the dual zone climate control, as well as the heated seat buttons for driver and passenger, and all of the operation for the screen on the pad just in front of the shifter. Of course, the button for the heated steering wheel just there, which is very nice, I can assure you. Just behind the steering wheel where we have the virtual cockpit, which can all be customised for its style and content. Having a look above is where we're going to see the electric glass sliding panoramic roof with a full electric blind as well. It really does create a very nice light and airy feel to the interior of this vehicle. Just looking into the rear for the rear seat passengers, as we can see, there's a huge amount of space. Lots of practicalities back here. They've got their separate actual 3-zone ventilation with power supplies lower down, and that panoramic roof coming right over the top of the rear seat passengers. So yes, we are incredibly proud to have this vehicle in stock with us. Of course, with its history, all of that specification and wonderful condition. And here at AMT Specialist Cars, we like to look after each and every customer and provide a very well-rounded service all under one roof. So should you have any funding requirements, please do speak with us. We can then contact our panel of lenders and search to get you the very best deal. Now, for any vehicle such as this one, which is outside of its manufacturer's warranty period, we have partnered up with Warranty Wise, who are on hand to provide us with up to 3 years worth of market-leading aftermarket warranties. And finally, and particularly on a black car such as this one, we have our professionals on hand ready to apply Autoglim's Life Shine treatment. Now, this is a liquid carbon-based technology designed to bond with the paintwork and exterior glass on the vehicle, and all of the interior, be that leather or cloth, all gets treated as well. And please do ask us for some more information about those products. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you find it informative. If we have missed anything, please do let us know and we'll happily provide you with a personal video. We'll be in touch very shortly with some calculations. Thank you once again, and bye for now.